I created this AI influencer with Higgsfield and it's already helping me pay for my gear. You don't even need a big audience to start earning. I am an Higgsfield. This was the last project I created, my own AI influencer. So if you want to create, I will show you how you can create with prompts or you all that. So first I will just simply move. You will find AI influencer here and you will also find a studio of pre-made characters. If you want to make a new character, just hit on create new and you will find all of these here. So if I move to the right side, there is many things, human, mantis and all that reptile. So first one, I created a human. I can create an alien for you like this, and now I will scroll down. Now if you want, you can choose male, female. So for the alien, I will choose female, and from here you will have to choose its origin base. So I think it will be, I can choose European, and in the skill color you can choose the skin color to white. And now for this you need to change this to, I think this, we want to make it look a bit scary also. So I will choose green. I can choose like this. Now for the skin, we I will go with scars, and from here you can also choose, I can choose mature. Now if you move here, advanced settings will be turned off. If you turn it on, you can find all this. So you can find face, body, style. So if we go to the face, we have eyes. So you can just simply choose your eyes details, mouth, and then teeth, all that. So once it loads, I will show you. You can also find the body as well. So you can see the eyes type. You want it to be human, reptile, or mechanical. I can choose reptiles. And eye details, different eye color if you want, or you can choose card eye as well. So I will not select any of these. And for hair, you can just go with the sharp teeth like this. And for ears, you can also, if you want, you can do that. And now if we move to the body type, we want to make it athletic. And left arm, you can, if you want, you want to create a robot or any type. So I will choose with normal arm. Right arm, I will go again with normal arm. And for left leg, you can choose any of the thing. Now for the style, you can choose hair, accessories, and markings, and rendering style. So once it loads, I will show you how you can choose any of that. So you can see this is a whole process of creating an proper AI influencer. If you want to create any content for YouTube or and all that, so you can choose any of this. So you can see if you want its color hair to be short, long, and all that. So I think I want to go with bald. And from here you can choose anything. I will not go with anything. And from here, you, if you want, I will go with hyper realistic. Now once this all is done, I can just simply hit on generate influencer. It won't take a lot of time. So as you can see, the generation is being started. So once it is completed, I will show you how you can animate this also, and you can create videos to earn money. So you can see our AI influencer is ready. I will just simply zoom in on. So it is loading. So you can see it is like this. Now how we can use this to animate it, if you want, you can also save it like this, and you can also download it as well. So you can use it as reference to create other videos. So now I will show you how you can animate that. So you can see this is being saved as an image, so you can use this and on reference. So I can just go back and now I will hit on animate. So you can see I will just simply click on explore more. So you can see you can animate it like this. So I will just simply choose a template. So this is an alien girl, so I will choose something girlish. So I will go with the first one like this. And now you can choose the resolution from here. I want it to 720. I can hit on generate, so it will start generating. So you can see it is generating. Once it is done, I will show you how you can use this. So you can see the video is created. I will just simply play and show you. create this. Now I will just simply move back to AI influencer, and I will show you how you can create a district. These was a alien. So I know, if you want, you can choose any character from here. These are the viral characters you have seen, maybe seen this one everywhere. You can see this is the thing. So you can also create use this one, or you can use a new. So I will just simply go with human. I will move create new. I will go with human. You can also use prompts. You can just simply ask chat gpt. You can just tell chat gpt what you want to create, so it will simply provide you all the prompt. You can just simply paste it, and now I will just simply move here. I want a human first, and the next thing, it will be a female. You can choose, or I can choose male now, and here I will choose it to be middle eastern, and the color will be brown, and the eye color I want it to be blue. This is okay. Now I want it to have some you can say scars. Now if I scroll down, I want it to be adult, and now I will just simply enable this, and you can also make the face eyes like before I told you. So I will make it to human. I will choose the eyes details, so I don't want anything from here, and from here I will give a small mouth, ears. I will choose a human ear, and horns. I don't want any horns. So face skin material, I want it to be human skin, and surface pattern. I will not select horns. I want it to be solid. And now moving forward, for the body, I will just simply choose the body type. So I want it to be lean. Left arm, I want it to be normal. Right arm, I also want it to be normal. If you don't want any, you can choose none, or you can choose this cute and all that. So for this one too, you can choose normal leg, and for right leg you can choose normal leg. So scrolling upwards, you can now see for the this now styles, you can just simply choose here. So I want some, I will choose long hair, or you can choose short hair because it's a man. Now for accessories and markings, you can just simply include some tattoos. And now rendering style, you can choose hyper realistic. Now once this is all ready, you can just simply hit on generate influencer. So you can see generation has been started. Now you can create this as one. So in this video I have showed you two characters, so you can use any of the ones you like. So you can see our AI influencer is created. Now if you want to customize your character, you can just simply type it, like I want to give it some hair. So you can see it has given it here. Now you can simply just click on this. It will give you free viral motion library, and you can simply just go and explore more, and you can find all of these. Now this is for a man, so you can use this. Like I will just simply click on this, so you can see, or you can want, if you can just also use this one as well. So you can see, now you can just simply hit on generate, and it will automatically bring on the video for you. So once it is completed, so there are many. So if you want, you can provide it your own as well. And so now you can see this is being generated. Once it is done, I will show you. So you can see this is created. You can just simply hit on download, so it will be downloaded. So you can see this is how good is this. So if you want to change background, you can change the reference background, so it will be created. So that's all for today. You hope you found this video helpful. I make sure to tell you everything to how you can create an influencer, and you can also monetize it by uploading it on YouTube, on and Instagram reels as well. So that's all for today, and I will see you in the next one. Until then, take care and bye.